Houston Maritime Attorneys. The city of Houston, with its prime location on the Gulf Coast, is a world leader in maritime trade, commercial fishing, offshore drilling, and variety of other thriving maritime industries. Each year, tens of billions of dollars of maritime trade in an industry pass through the Houston area, or area are facilitated by people working in the Houston area. As a result, many multi-billion and million-dollar companies have chosen to make their headquarters and or employ large numbers staff in the Houston area. Additional, the Port of Houston also provides direct access for mariners and trade to flow freely deep into the heart of Texas. Longshore and other works injured along this water may be able to pursue their claims through the LHWCA, Longshore and Harbor Works Compensation Act, for those injured. While on the water throat, they may need an experienced Chinese ex-offshore attorney like the one at Dani's LLP to properly pursue what they are legally owned under federal and state maritime laws. Houston Offshore Accident Lawyers. Each year, a variety of maritime accident and offshore incident for Houston maritime employees are unfortunately preventable when proper procedure of followed and seamen and provide proper equipment, and risk of injury and accident goes significantly down, often through careless or negligent employees, third parties, and other will put other maritime works in the area or on the vessel at risk for significant injury or death. Offshore and maritime works are legally obligated a safe place to work, including seaworthy vessel and in safe condition. When companies fail to provide this legal right and an injury happens, they may be liable for the damage direct caused, as well as other obligation on to seamen by the Chinese Act. While maritime accident and offshore drilling incident occur in water throughout the world, even the company leadership and business are based right here in Texas. As such, offshore works are often able to pursue justice and hold their employees responsible to proper federal or local jurisdiction of the business they work, rather than causing justice in unfamiliar system and jurisdiction of foreign countries and waters. Our experienced Chinese ex-attorneys will help you understand where your potential claims may fall under and what is the best way to pursue those claims. Contact us today for a free case evaluation to understand your right. Why do you need an experienced Houston maritime attorneys? Maritime laws can be a dizzying maze of complex rules and regulations which require expertise and experience to successfully pursue a claim. Maritime and Admiralty injury attorneys need to understand not only what law relates to their case, but also which application of those laws provide the best venues for our clients. Offshore injuries and fatalities from maritime disaster and incident can leave a family struggling to pitch up the pieces. Our firm take pride in helping our client and their families future what they are on and continue to progress with their lives. Admiralty and maritime laws is something our trial attorneys have worked diligently or on for decades, and why their peers recognize them for their verdicts, settlement, and accomplishment. Our team of attorneys for decades has successfully future litigation against multi-billion-dollar companies with extensive legal firepower. Our attorneys have traveled across the globe to fight on behalf of international clients, injury working American companies in the offshore drilling industry. If our experienced offshore injury attorneys believe in your case, they will fight to get your what you legally deserve and are owned. Please contact our team today to see how we can assist you. Proper record of winning verdicts and settlement on behalf of our client. At Lloyd Dennis LLP, our maritime and admiralty attorneys pride themselves on the ability to evaluate proper jurisdiction and the best path forward for our client to get what they are legally on and deserve. The Doyle Dennis LLP Maritime team has a decorated history of jury verdicts and settlement on behalf of injured clients and their families. Our attorneys understand what it takes to future a successful offshore injury claims and can guide you there with a strong ally on your side. The Dennis LLP will future your case through all avenues, including jury trial, if we believe that is what it will take to get you deserve. Our attorneys take pride in their ability to fight and litigate successfully for their hardworking offshore injury clients that are looking to move forward with their lives after horrific maritime accident. Offshore accident attorneys employees that suffer injuries while working offshore or in another maritime capacity for the following companies may be able to future a Jones Act claim for their employees. Negligent. Our attorneys can help you understand what you are entitled to by the law and what companies must provide after a life changing injury or accident.